Hello everyone, I got this new table runner like this, and today I will use it together with our other material to make a table setting. First of all, let's take a white fabric, just a fabric, and let's put it on the table. Okay, look, very simple, just a fabric. You don't need to do anything. And now, I need to use a net fabric to make a table runner. Our table runner, I will make 2 layers of table runner. Very simple, just a net fabric. Okay, now the turns our sparkle runner, sequin table runner. This net fabric, this layer of runner will be wider than this sequin runner. Look, this is the effect. And if we change this net fabric to a lace, the come out will be better. Okay, then I will make some flower and other candle on it. Now let's go. Okay, take our flower bowl. Look, this is a sample flower bowl. Look, like this. And then put our flower bowl. This time I want to make a large flower bouquet. So I think I will use tall stem. Look, this tall stem instead of the short stem. So I will use tall stem. First of all, make a flower on every angle. Okay, I won't fast skip the procedure because I want to make the video longer so that I can insert advertise to increase the income. In order to cover the material I'm going to buy, please support by not skip the advertise. Look, we can insert and adjust the flower until satisfied. I want it taller. Okay, like this. After we set several flowers like this, so the size of the flower bouquet was defined. Okay, now let's insert the leaf. Look, we can adjust until satisfied. This idea also suitable for fresh flower. Just insert, adjust until satisfied. Look, this type of leaf is good also. If you want to buy this leaf from me, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link below this video will be okay. Look, this leaf are pretty also. There's no rules about how to make the flower bouquet. I'm not good at it actually. Just insert and adjust until satisfied. And sometimes I will use short stem if I need it. Look, I have this type of leaf also. Okay, look, the flower bouquet almost complete. On this part, I will use some long flower and small flower like this. Because on this bunkering, the flower not enough. So I will put it like this. The small flower are very important also. I don't know. I think I don't like this leaf. I will remove it. Better. Okay, so I have to put more leaf to replace. I will use this leaf. Now, I use this small leaf and long stem. I don't know, I like small leaf better than a branch of leaf. I don't know, I like the small leaf. So I have to change them. I don't like this one also. Okay, look, almost completed. Now, let's put on the table and check the whole effect. Okay, then put on the middle of the table. Look like this. Also, the other material. Look, our candle holder. Use different lengths of candle holder. Of course, put on our candle. Okay, and then the tableware. Okay, all the setup completed. Let's check the effect. Look. Let's zoom in and check it as we are sitting in front of table. This. And now, out of the table. From this side, and check it from this side. Let's check it from top. Like we are standing in front of table. From top. Look, this is our flower arrangement. The whole picture. The whole picture. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Bye.